world's biggest fail. Why am I hearing this twice? Okay, never mind. Hello, I'm here. Well, I don't know what's going on with this sound. This is the world's biggest fail. Why? Okay, hold on. Why am I hearing this twice? Okay, never mind. This is disappointing. Hello, I'm here. Well, I don't know what's going on with this sound. Why? Okay, hold on. Why am I hearing this twice? What a fail. Oh man. Alright, welcome everyone. Okay. So I thought I'd done that so well. I think I must have had it playing in the background or something somewhere. I had like the whole intro and everything planned out. I don't know why it was like monitoring on my speakers and yeah. Anyway, welcome everyone. Thank you for joining. We are going to be having a bit of a Christmas party today. It's just a bit of fun. It's going to be a stream the same as always. But yeah, we're going to be doing a bit of TA as usual, and then we're going to have a little bit of a quiz later on with the crew. We're going to be doing some some other quizzes and stuff a little bit later as well. So let's smash up the likes. Let's, of course, if anyone still wants to, I need the laser eyes, yeah. If anyone does still want to take part in the giveaway, so we are going to be giving away, if I go on to here, we are going to be giving away this NFT, this nice Doge Pound Christmas NFT. So I have got this, the winner of, so if you like, or if you just retweet this, get people watching the video, then you can be in for a chance of winning this NFT here, which will be cool. So, yeah, I wanted to let me just do that. Let's say hello to everyone. Oh, man, I'm so disappointed by that intro. That's such a shame. It was like proper like Christmassy music and stuff. I can play it again in the background anyway. Just so we got some like Christmas background music going on. It was going to be all like good. It's just some Christmas streamer thing. Okay, let's have a look who's in here. Can, Eric, welcome, Matt, Jamie, Ollie, Cryptochemist, Jay, Marcus, Ollie again, AJ, P, Sure, Steve, Callis, skimming through, Jenny, Juan, Knight, Gordy, Delirium, Ollie's, oh I keep saying Ollie. Can you dress up like a reindeer for the next show, red nose and all? I probably should. I got a bit of a red face after that embarrassing intro. Man. Anyway, yeah, let's get straight into the TA. So actually Bitcoin, we had to get a Christmas pump, didn't we? So you can all thank me for that later. The last time we had a semi-Christmas party, I mean, Bitcoin kind of dumped 50%. So yeah, we made sure that this happened tonight just to cheer everyone up, put everyone in good spirits. I've been working hard, coordinating the market to get this move today. But anyway, in all seriousness, it's been really perfect. This is exactly what we were looking for. So I've been talking about this again in the trading rooms yesterday and stuff, how we were looking at this zone of support. We have the anchored VWAP in from the lows here, giving us nice support. So again, crew on Discord and everything, we have been talking about this. And yeah, everything, I've got to admit, I wasn't expecting a move quite up this high. I was looking for it to take the top of the range, but there we go. This is a nice little, yeah, Rudolph sweater. So, yeah, the Cirrus TA. So what we did have earlier on, just coming down into, I think we had our 1-to-1 here, and we were looking at that. So there was a little bit of confluence there. Yeah, came straight into our 1-to-1 from our high, low, high, down here, straight into the 1-to-1. We had confluence here with the anchored VWAP. We had this daily OB as support, and then we did have the we were looking for the top of the single prints, but again they were just slightly lower, and of course just the low of the initial balance that we were looking at here. So yeah, everything looking kind of good on the Bitcoin market. I want to do a little bit of TA on a few alts. Do pay attention to the technical analysis on the alts, because it might be important later, because we are going to be doing a quiz. Okay, so do pay attention to the stuff that we're doing on the altcoins, and do pay attention to some of the analysis, although it's like, I mean, we're kind of signed off on a lot of the analysis for tonight. I'm just going to be talking. We're going to get Luxury in on the stream in about 20 minutes. So Luxury is going to do some analysis on some stuff. He is also at a birthday party today, so he'll be on his laptop, but he'll be able to give us some analysis. Then we'll get P in, we'll have a little quiz, then we'll have a bit of a break. We will do the raffles and a nice little prize section with the crew at about 10 p.m. and then we will be doing the Asia trading room, which will be, I guess, not really a trading room, but we're just going to look at some technical analysis, maybe after having had a few drinks or something, and mince pies and all of that. So let me just start off here. Does anyone have any questions or anything they would like me to go over on Bitcoin first of all? Or just anything in general before I get started, because again, I'd kind of semi-planned this, but not very well. So yeah, we'll see. These lights are really bright. Also, is the music to voice ratio okay here? I can't even hear the music in the background, it's too quiet for me, but Matt, retest coming. This is the thing, I am not looking for any major pullbacks on this yet. I think yeah, seriously, I'm looking if it can hold the daily level here. Again, we do have, this was our previous like big zone of resistance coming in down here, so I could see us probably coming back down to about 50k and testing 50k. I do still believe that we're going to be coming up to about 52 before possibly getting an SFP of those highs. Okay, I'm just going to turn the music down slightly. It's supposed to be some like streamer friendly background Christmassy music. SFP incoming 52k, that's kind of the plan, and that has been the plan for a while. We'll have to see what happens when we get there, but for me, like, something like that would be perfect. The pump this week was, yeah, really, like, I'd say expected. It kind of was. I was quite bullish, and like, you know, I've been scaling into a long here. I'd have to wait and see what happens when we do get up into this level, because the thing is, above 52k there is very, very little volume. Okay, so we can, an SFP is always on the cards, and I think it would really depend on how much retail are properly FOMOing in. But if this does happen over the Christmas period and it can hold above that 52k area, then I don't see any reason why it can't continue a little bit higher after that. We'll have to just monitor it. This whole idea of it being, okay, retail have been selling. For the past week or two, retail have really been selling. It's been very bearish, the whole sentiment during this whole thing, since basically the last Christmas party, the Luke and Senti Christmas party crash. Sentiment's been very bearish. A lot of people who have been selling down at these lows, expecting to be able to get in sub 40k, were unable to do so, and now are they going to be buying back in yet? I'm not so sure. I think it's yeah, we'll just have to wait and see with that. But so far this whole range really has been really nice to trade, and we have, as soon as we got that break in market structure, then everything was looking pretty good. And deep retraces, we weren't looking for any deep retraces on this because that would have given retail a chance to get in. But that's the thing, like, yes, we could have a SFP of 52k, and then we could come back in and fill these single prints somewhere down here again. So we do, yeah, of course, have to be aware of that. Greg, stream lagging, or is it my end? Is the stream okay for everyone? I know this like snow overlay is adding a bit of GPU and CPU stuff. So hopefully the stream isn't lagging for anyone. But if it is, then I can just turn off this snow and make it a bit less Christmassy. Jenny, what if it happens when you're asleep? I mean, I've got take profit levels up here. So the thing with like getting into a short position is not just going to do that like straight away. You'll have chance even if you're sleeping. If it does that, you'll have a little like bounce and before any move down. But hey, wow, what a day. What a day it's been. It's been good fun to trade. Everything very green. In fact, like literally everything green. So that's nice. Cool. All right, stream is good for everyone. Let's get this up to 50 likes. If everyone can hit the likes, we want to try and get like 100 viewers in here as well. So if anyone knows anyone that they want to invite to watch the stream, or they want to post it anywhere, or they want to retweet, because the retweet competition's still going on here, there's still chance. Okay, so there's still chance to retweet this for your chance to win this lovely NFT. And I can show you the NFT as well, actually, in a minute. But I did get this nice Christmas Doge Pound. It's a proper Doge Pound NFT, so could potentially be worth a fair bit of money eventually. Who knows? Yeah, so you can retweet that for your chance to win. Fine, I told you I closed shorts at the bottom. You're welcome, everyone. It wasn't you, mate. It wasn't you. I've been telling people the same thing. And you're welcome for the pump today, by the way. Okay. Right, once we get 50 likes. Delirium, that's the thing as well. Yeah, what about no SFP at 52k because everyone is looking for it? I'd agree, yes, everyone is probably looking for it more so than when we were. So we can go back to like this low. There are, by the way, there are some like little hidden things in the charts today. This is, so if you are paying attention for the quiz later, there is some hidden stuff going on. What were we talking about? Yeah, like we did up here. Okay, and yeah, maybe a few more people looking at the SFP this time because it happened previously in a previous range. So I'm feeling quite bullish short term. I mean, everything's really green and I'm in a lot of profit today, so I guess that's normal. We'll have to just wait and see, but it's the... This music's really off-putting. What is going on with it? Yeah, the other thing that's interesting to me is just the fact that there's no volume here, okay? So we could quite easily see a move up towards that 55k area, or like 57 before we start seeing any real volume. And that's quite different to what we had back here. We did have like that 40k area was quite a significant previous resistance anyway, when we did come and get that SFP off the highs. So you can see here like that 40k always acting as resistance a few times, whereas on this occasion it's not been so much like that at 52. Yeah, we had a little bit of a high here, but it's just like straight through that area, and we could quite easily see another situation if we don't get this, and we might not even get there. Like we might not even get there, but we could see it quite easily get up here and then start to put in a range and do something like that. We'll wait and see. I'm kind of open to any of those scenarios right now on Bitcoin. Other stuff to be aware of right now. Let me just have a look. So 1-to-1. So that would support again. You got the 1-to-1 coming in at 52. So that would be interesting. So low to high to low. There is that. I would say, yeah, be aware of that one. Blue bits, do you think ERS is dead? Yeah. I mean, it's probably still tradable, but it's pretty dead, isn't it? Like, it's had a good move up. But yeah, it's kind of dead. Okay. Is this like repeating the same songs or something? Oh no, it's just... Okay. So, yeah, we're 20 past. Right. All right, let's do a little bit of altcoin analysis. So I've got a couple that I do want to go over, and then we're going to bring Luxury in. He's going to go over a couple of alts as well. First of all, a lot of people have been asking about... what do we want to look at first? We'll have a look at XLM, because this has been really interesting. Just this rounded bottom that we've got on XLM. So I know it's kind of boring. There is a reason, again, for using this, because I want to do some like long-term accumulation stuff, and I know Farhan in here is very big on XRP, and we're expecting kind of XRP and XLM to do some good stuff over the next few weeks. I am looking at this as being one of those opportunities that we've been in a range here on XLM for the best part of like... yeah, since back in October, just kind of grinding down into this area, and we do seem to be putting in this like little bit of a rounded bottom, so I am looking at this quite closely. I have started to accumulate within this area on the BTC pair. I'm basically just waiting for this sign of strength, for it to see if it can reclaim the weekly and then come up to this monthly level. So that's one of the trades that I'm like looking quite closely at the moment. Also the USDT pair, and XLM I don't trade very often, but it's actually been really interesting, and the respect that it's got for these high time frame levels has been good. So you can see the monthly level acting as this resistance. We've broken through, and we are now looking at seeing if it can break through this 0.295 region, the monthly level that we have here, before moving up onto kind of 34 cent kind of area. And again, we're just seeing this nice like rounded bottom forming out on XLM. So yeah, that's that, I guess. There's not too much more analysis on this one. The other one I did promise that I would mention today was Matic, which has been going really nicely, and we do have a new all-time high on Matic. So there's been some really interesting stuff recently on this. Basically, like since our lows, and we've been trading this for quite a while now. You have your lows down here, golden pocket, right? Next move up, golden pocket, next move up, golden pocket, and now we're having another move up. So I wanted to go over just as like expecting this being in pretty much right now a parabolic advance. This one's looking really quite strong, but again, we're at resistance right now, so I'm just saying this is a like take profit on Matic, and you know kind of how it's working on these retraces. The other really interesting thing with this has been how well the one-to-one's been working. So you can see if you go from your low to your high to your low, that high was the one-to-one. Okay, then we continue onwards and we go from low to high to low. Where are we right now? Okay, so what was really significant resistance previously on our one-to-one after having hit the golden pocket? So you have move up into the 618 golden pocket, into your one-to-one, back into the 618 golden pocket. Where are we? Back into the one-to-one. So now this is kind of a really interesting area for me right now. Probably looking at if we were to get a bit of a retrace here, we've got massive, like really nice confluence down here. Even if it doesn't continue this parabolic advance, I'm now looking at really significant confluence on this monthly level. This is a big monthly order block that we've got down here. So if we were to see, like, this is why I'm saying like a really good opportunity to take profit on Matic right now. If we were to see this kind of come back down, this would be a really nice area looking to get back in on this. So about $1.87 is what I'm looking for on here, but you never know, it might just continue higher. So this is if we do break that parabolic advance, and we're looking at kind of maybe this failing at the highs and then getting a retrace. The levels that I'm looking for above on this are around that $3.20, which is your 1.236, because we're using the 618s and the one-to-ones on this. The 1.236 being double 618. Yeah. We're looking up there at around $3.20, and then of course you've got the 1.618 here at around $4. So I do think that if this can continue and really show strength, then we are looking at pretty major moves higher on this. And I am just going to briefly show you the monthly order block that we've got here. So this is going to be really significant. Like, look from like high time frame structure, how nice that is and how clean that is. So if we were to get like a close below here, just coming in and back testing this region would be really nice for me. Anyway, so those are two altcoins that I just wanted to cover during this stream. I think we will, what's the time? We're getting on for past now, so I'm actually going to bring Luxury in. So Luxury's got a couple of things prepared, and then we're going to do the quiz soon after that. Okay. This music sounds awful. I'm very sorry for the bad music in the background, but it's supposed to be festive. Right. I need to put my headphones on as well for this bit because otherwise I won't be able to hear. I know you're here.
Hello.
Hello. How's it going?
Hello. Yeah, all good, all good. I'm stuck away in this room here, away from the young kids running around. If they hear I'm in here,
I can hear them in the background. I'm just going to turn the music down a second and then
Oh
people can
God.
hear you a bit more clearly.
Yeah. Well, I've got my mic, so hopefully that's all good.
Yeah, I can hear you well. I've got
Yes.
I've got my headphones on and stuff. Let me just have a look on the chat. Right, everyone seems to still be here and engaged in some way. Oh yeah, if it's creepy elevator tunes, yeah, scary hotel stuff. I know. I just heard that music in the background. It didn't quite sound very Christmassy. It is supposed to be a Christmas playlist for like streaming, but it sounds pretty awful. Yeah, cool. So there was a bit of TA that you wanted to go over today as well,
Yes.
right? So
Sure. Give me 1 second. Let me just.
yeah, I just need to do a screen share to set you up for that. I'm clicking the complete wrong buttons.
Let me know if it gets too loud. If you can hear people in the back.
That's okay.
Try to quieten it down a bit.
It adds to the Christmas party experience.
Oh,
I don't
God.
know. Right. Yeah, so you should be able to share a screen now.
Okay, let's go. Let's share this. Okay. Hopefully you can all see my screen. I'm on my
just
back.
give me 1 second. I just need to pull this up onto the stream. There we go. Okay, so everyone can see Luxury's stuff now.
Yes.
Cool. All right. All good.
Let's go. So, obviously, I know Luke's done X and M for this, altcoin kind of special. Also, right? I saw you covered Matic there in the end. Looks quite nice, to be honest. I've gone for, my A is going to be Algo. Basically, so obviously I want to cover the BTC pair real quick. But obviously I think this does relate to the USDT pair also quite nicely. So yeah, just to begin with, obviously you can see Algo obviously over the past, let's see, from July, from June, July 2019, almost 2 years now, coming on 3 next summer. It's been in this kind of like long kind of, in my opinion, accumulation. It seems to be holding up really nicely within this range. I do feel in the coming next year, I do personally think this is going to have some sort of pop, if I'm going to be completely honest with that. And let's just get into like this kind of setup and things I'm looking at on this.
Just
to begin with.
Are you able to turn your mic up a little bit, by the way?
Yeah.
Slightly.
Oh,
Yeah.
is that all good now?
Oh yeah, that's much better. Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah, I had it on like this other setting, so it tried to not catch the background noise, but who cares now?
That's better. I've turned the background music down like completely as well. So,
yeah. So obviously, to begin with, we're saying there's some sort of accumulation, potential kind of spring at the lows. My personal perspective, if we take on this parallel channel, let's see. So obviously, I do like this parallel channel really nicely, quite a lot. You've got touch points to the lows, 2-3 touch points at the lows, 2 touch points at the highs. Obviously, a bit of a deviation here, kind of getting acceptance into that channel. And here we've got a speed fan coming in here to be aware of. And personally, really simply, I'm looking for, this is going to be the setup, if I'm honest. I'm really going to look for these lows here to be taken. So if we take our marker on the BTC pair, it's not too much of a drop. And this is more, the next coin I'm going to show is more of like in a trending state. But this one here, I think is kind of a nice shot for everyone to see this call, because I actually continue to buy this one on dips, obviously hedging it if needed, so on the USDT pair. But yeah, I feel in the longer term this is really good for accumulation. So obviously I'm looking for a potential swing failure pattern of these lows on the BTC pair. So if we mark this out as key, then you've got this there, and I've also got you've got the golden pocket coming in here, and also if we've got our key level coming in, I think, and I believe this is a POC. If we change this to, let's get rid of this so you're all aware of what I'm actually looking at here. Let's take our fixed range. I believe it's coming in a bit. That's what it was. So weekly. We take our fixed range. I think it's from the very beginning of this whole accumulation, if I'm honest. You have a POC lining up directly inside this. Yeah, there it is. So you have the POC lining inside the golden pocket. Really, really big support, which is like kind of been front run here, in which, I've seen this happen before, and I'll most likely see it happen again. Hence, I'm giving this trade idea where it's kind of front run. You get really wicks towards it on the daily time frame. There is that really big potential for a swing failure pattern if these lows are, really simply, if you see a swing failure pattern, you take the trade, lose the lows, reclaim again, and you've got 786 speed fan, POC, and middle of the channel almost, you're kind of resting on the moment. So simply the trade setup's going to be this, looking to take it up really to the channel highs. Invalidation, really, if we get the SFP, it's going to be below the wick. So this is all dependent so far, on the SFP. So yeah, I guess first target, obviously you're going to have to take your fib pool from that low to the high, high to low, sorry, apologies. And you're going to be looking for that golden pocket, kind of seeing where that lines up at the time. But yeah, that's kind of the perspective on the BTC pair. And let's move over to the USDT pair real quick. And yeah, as you can see here, I think USDT pair has been in this kind of uptrend, but I think it's kind of underperformed to what it can do. Of course, I still think it's just one of the coins I'm more bullish on, if I'm honest. And the way I like to trade these is, let's say, for example, we're expecting the potential move down of, let's say the wick comes down towards these lows here. Let's say a 22% move down to 20%. Again, this is just regarding if, depends how Bitcoin plays, etc. 22% to the downside, and then, algo, the USDT pair would have to move down, because yes, I've been buying here spot at the lows, for example, but really locally we're in an uptrend. Oh, one second.
Maz G, we can barely speak without laughing because Luxury is trying to do this analysis while there's a party going on in the background. So
I'm here. I'm all good. I'm all good.
Yeah.
I'm all
so
good.
Just
Let's
saying
go.
You can barely speak without laughing, and there's a reason for that.
Yeah, no. So yeah, obviously, so obviously we're saying that 22% move to the downside on the BTC pair, and that really would coincide kind of nicely with if the USDT pair was moved down 30%. Obviously, at the moment, it's looking unlikely, but I just really want to be, should this ever happen, I want people to be aware that, it's a potential really nice opportunity to come into play, I think. And you're really looking to take this up, in my opinion, to like bigger targets. In my opinion, let's say, let me take out my pitchfork. I think really I was looking for something like this. I know this is going to look a bit ridiculous. Obviously, it depends when we come down, etc. To form this low, but I wouldn't be surprised. You've seen it happen before. 1 rise up, 2 rise up, 3 rise up, come down maybe, and then you get some sort of major consolidation potential low, from some sort of bottoming pattern before heading up there. But I am bullish on algo, so I am continuously buying this. I'm just if you're trading this on derivatives, etc., then I think you've got really good opportunity coming in around that $1 level. Really, $1 would be a really good buy if we're to get there, of course. So that's algo, and
Nice.
coinciding with the BTC pair. And the next one is going to be Solana. And this one again, the last one, algo, was more it's going sideways a bit on the BTC pair. So I think that has a lot more potential than Solana for the moment. But Solana, in my opinion, does look really, really, really bullish. Um, I would expect this to continue ripping, if I'm being honest. I don't see why it wouldn't, but we'll just look at some potential. I thought I'd give some potential targets, towards the much further upside on this, because I know I hear a lot of people talking about it. Quite a hyped up one, right? So I thought, why not? So obviously, if we're taking our bid from high to low, and you can see we're rejecting off that 78683 level for the moment. And if we change this to expansions, and this is the BTC pair, by the way. So obviously, I've been long on Solana, and I've hold a bit of Solana. What I would say here is to get into more of a day trading, to get into this actually right now, you'd have to kind of take a day trade. I don't know what Luke thinks of that. You kind of have to take a day trade. You wouldn't really want to be buying directly up here. What do you think?
Yeah, it was one of those. I got back into Solana like after the big Bitcoin dump, like the other day, really, and because it came down into quite a nice technical area around there, and it was just one of those that these layer ones like Solana and Luna, Avalanche and stuff, I think they've still got a lot of potential going into next year, and they've been showing that there's a lot of strength behind all of them. And it seems like part of the story as well, like something is going to challenge Ethereum. Like Ethereum's going to challenge Bitcoin at some point, and then something is going to challenge Ethereum, and it just seems like a nice part of the story that we haven't really seen play out yet. You've just seen a lot of the layer ones fighting out amongst themselves. Like Solana was the biggest gainer of the year a few weeks ago, and now Luna's the biggest gainer of the year, and now Avalanche is pumping again, and that wants to be the biggest gainer of the year. Matic is going again now, and it's one of those that's just like there seems to be so much strength in that whole area.
I agree.
Yeah.
And just to, even if an untrained eye really was to look at this, personally, if you're looking at this on a log scale, I don't see any reason as to why, this kind of pattern here does look like, I'm not going to say to trade a breakout, but it does look like a really bullish kind of moving, penanting outwards kind of formation before some sort of further break to the upside. And I was looking at this earlier, and this was regarding the USDT pair as well. Like I had some targets that were really extortionate, and I didn't know whether to kind of include it here, but I don't really want to say, but I wouldn't be surprised if this like hits $1,000, or I don't know if you've probably came across that idea before or whatever. Just looking at it on a log scale and potentially like EW, I wouldn't be surprised if this does. It does look really bullish in my opinion. Obviously things can change, but whilst it remains, in the uptrend, in this massive uptrend that's been on, there's no need to think otherwise it's not going to hit that. In that case, I think I'll do another video where I actually go cover some alts, maybe some accumulation patterns and it wave. But I think in this case, Solana's in some massive uptrend. Nice. If I'm being honest. What was I going to say here? One more thing. Yeah, so basically to the upside, I think that your next target is going to be $300. Just looking towards the upside. Apart from that, just kind of trade the trend, if I'm honest, the way Luke teaches you.
Yes. Yeah, hopefully. Cool. All right, thank you. You probably need to get back to the party and everything now a little bit. So
we're gonna. Hopefully, I haven't been a hassle here with this.
Oh no,
this is etc.
Yeah, no, it's been good. It's just nice to. That's what we wanted to do today. Just start off with a little bit of TA and just do a couple of charts each. A couple of interesting things that we're looking at to give, of course, the public stream something that is semi-planned rather than just like talking nonsense that we will often do. And we're going to go back into talking nonsense again now anyway.
Yeah. So if you want the serious stuff, as we always say, if you want the serious, proper serious stuff, of course, Toros Crypto. What can we say?
yeah. Cool. Yeah,
I'll
thank
stop
you.
sharing my screen.
Yeah, no sure. Worries. I'll go back onto just the normal charts. Okay. So yeah, there we go, everyone. So Luxury normally hangs out on Twitch, where all of the kids are, and yeah, making a special appearance on YouTube for everyone today.
So yeah, I guess I'll let you continue this. I probably might pop in later. I'll probably be
Yeah.
home in around an hour, to be honest. So
Okay. Cool. Yeah, we're gonna do
yeah,
the. We'll be like doing just voice chat stuff with
yeah, that
crew
sounds good.
after the stream and things about like 10ish or something. So yeah, thank you very much. I'm
No
going to bring
worries.
P in a second, and P is going to do some quiz stuff. So yeah, I'll
Cool.
let you get back to the party.
Yeah,
And
thank you. I'll
thank you very much.
catch you later. No
All
worries.
right, see you,
Thank you,
mate.
man.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. All right. Who wants some? Who wants to have a quiz? So basically, the yeah, I mean, this quiz is for yeah, like for anyone to join in with if they want to, but we're going to give away 2 1 month free trials basically. So we're going to do like the now and again. A lot of people always ask about trials and we don't give them away as like a standard thing, but now and again if we can incorporate it into something, we can do something fun in order to kind of make people earn that. So we are going to do a little bit of that in just a minute. If you are crew already, you may also win a prize, but I haven't quite thought what the prize will be yet. So basically we're going to take the top 2 winners who are non-crew already, and they will get a 2-week trial. And for the winner of if you are already in crew, then there may be a little prize for your participation and your eventual winning of the quiz, I guess. Pete, are you here? I can see you're in the Zoom, but I can't hear you.
Hello, sorry.
Hello.
I didn't find the unmute one.
Sorry.
Okay, that was nice from Luxury.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, so I don't I need to ask you. I'm just going to send you a message. So there's a particular question we were going to ask on the quiz related to something we've just done. Is that in the quiz, or do we have to ask that separately? Because I just realized that.
I don't know. Let me check your.
Actually, no, it's fine. We'll ask it separately because it's not a multiple choice thing. So this is just a little extra thing that we're going to be doing in a minute to see who has been paying attention.
I don't know what you're talking about, actually.
All right, so it's all good. There is a little extra. There'll be one more question at the end of the quiz where I'm going to give the first person to answer it on YouTube extra points in the quiz, I guess. So we'll do that. Cool.
Okay, let me set it up.
Yeah. So everyone, before this starts, you just have to click the like start quiz thing, don't you? On
Yeah.
So let me bring up the
Gonna make
Discord.
it.
This is going to take place on Discord, on the public section of Discord again. So let me bring Discord onto the screen. Here.
Okay.
So we are going to have Crypto hustling. This is hilarious. Yeah, it's a bit of a. Hey, it's the same with all of our streams, right? They're never. They're always a bit random. So, for anyone watching on YouTube, first of all, what you must do in order to take part of the quiz. So for this quiz, it's here. Okay, so you can see P is just posted. So you must join the Discord. First of all, so for anyone who is not already on the Discord, the link is in the description below. P, are you able just to quickly post the link into the comments as well?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Or alternatively, because I don't have the link to hand right now, you can go to toroscrypto.com. Okay, so just toroscrypto.com. It's up the top there in the little thing at the top. Just scroll down on the page until you get to see a free Discord community. Then you just click connect and that will link you to the Discord. Okay, so once you're in the Discord, you can then go over onto the quiz channel, which is just up on screen right here. We have 37 people waiting to take part. So once you are there, you can take part. And we are going to be giving away, two 1 month long. This will be basically for the whole of January. So because we're going to be going into a little bit of downtime between now and the new year, we're still going to be doing a lot of content, but just everyone's on kind of half holiday. We will start this from January the 1st, basically, for the month. Anyone from crew, so whoever the winner is overall, if the winner overall is a crew member, then there will be a prize for that one winner. But this is basically for non-crew, but if crew want to participate, you're welcome to. There will be a prize for the overall winner. I did see a nice Van said, how about some one-to-one coaching for a crew winner? So yeah, I'd be happy. That's a good idea. So I'm happy to do an hour one-to-one with whoever is the eventual winner, or we can figure out some other thing. So yes. So we got 42 people waiting to join the quiz. Can we get that up to 50?
Yeah, with 50 we're gonna.
I'm going to.
Yeah.
I'm going to very quickly because I just have run out of water, and I also might just have a beer. I might have one beer. I might start on that.
Try with water first.
Yeah.
Because we have to do a trading tonight.
It's all good. It's all good. I'm only having one. It's quiz time. I'm going to have one. It's Christmas party. So I'll be back in like a minute, okay? We'll wait just for everyone to join in if they need to. Okay, back in a sec. Okay, we got 50 people ready.
51, yeah.
Perfect. I should probably
Would you
click it as
mind
well.
to share the screen so I can
Uh,
actually see?
what? Share the Discord screen with you?
Yeah.
But you're.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, it's fine, it's fine.
I mean, you're on Discord. You can look at it.
Never mind. Yeah.
The same thing. Yeah. Cool. All right. Yeah, I guess everyone is
How do you
ready.
guys get ready?
So we will start the quiz in. Well, I mean, we'll already have been started by the time there's the delays there, but yeah. P, maybe do the countdown. Starting stream in 3, 2, 1. Then we'll go because there's a 30-second delay.
2, 1, let's go.
Cool. Starting quiz in 5 seconds. Okay. I hope that there's enough. Okay, what was the daily open price for Christmas last Christmas? Daily open price for Bitcoin last Christmas. You got 8 seconds to answer this. Oh man, that's difficult. This one. Time's up. Oh, you got to be quick. Did you choose 8 seconds? This is way too quick. Okay, you got to be really quick on this. Wait, this is way too... 7 seconds is not enough time for people to answer this. Never mind. Okay, this could be difficult. I was thinking like 30 seconds. What percentage is ETH up from last Christmas? Oh man. Why only 7 seconds? This is impossible. P. Should we start this
I don't
again?
know why
Because it's not. People aren't going to have a chance to answer this at all. At all. Ah, well, it's too late. Never mind. Okay, never mind. Sorry, guys. Fail. Can't even read the question out in time.
I don't know, I said everything to 8, but...
8 still... How can people answer in 8 seconds and read the question?
Oh, well.
Normally 30 seconds. Never mind. Okay, anyway, we'll continue going. Which
I can
country...
make a second one if not.
We might have to. I can't even read the questions before it's done. People can't answer. It's too delayed. It's definitely too quick.
I told you I'm not the quiz guy here, you know. That's money basher, but I don't know. We'll see.
Okay, should we just scrap this and try it again? Because can we just end... I mean, we should have ended the quiz after question 2 because that's way too fast. Can't even read the questions in time and it's already given everyone the answers.
I can't even answer it.
Yeah, PP, stop it. This is...
I cannot stop it, you know. Now it's like... Okay. With some other questions, yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh man, what a fail, huh?
Sorry, everyone. What a fail. Can you go back onto the quiz settings? I didn't even get to see the questions. How many people actually saw any of the questions and stuff then? Because people are watching it on YouTube and yeah.
Empty, probably.
So now at least people can't go back and look at the what the answers were. Okay, can you go back onto the quiz and just change it to 30 seconds?
Yeah, will do.
Thanks. Money Badger, where are you?
Yeah, now I know. Okay, I know what
Yeah.
happened.
So it needs to be like 30 seconds to answer and then at least 15 seconds between each question.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh man. Okay, most people didn't even read any of the questions because it was too quick. So we are going to do this again, and we're going to do it properly. There may be some people at a slightly unfair advantage now, but hey, at least we've had a
Maybe
trial run.
if you give me a few minutes, you can go over something and I can add
What, you
a
wanna-
few more questions.
Well, add a few more at the end.
Yeah, why not?
Okay. All right, P's going to add a few more questions at the end.
Okay. Be right back then.
Cool.
Sorry for that.
All right, what should we go over, guys? Any questions? Any questions? I guess what we can do, in the meantime, we can do the Twitter giveaway. So, as we are here, last chance, anyone who wants to. So we have 25 retweets on this so far. Wait, people as well. I realized I didn't do the tags, so you've got to retweet this one, the main one. So you've got 25 retweets on this. If you want to be part of the giveaway for this NFT, please go and retweet this one, the original one. That is the one that I'm going to be putting in. So we've got 25 retweets on this so far for your chance to win this NFT. And we will do that in 1 minute. So I'm going to do this. If you are, you'll basically have the length of this stream to claim this NFT. So if you are the winner of this NFT, you will have to basically DM me on Twitter or on Discord with your MetaMask address. And yeah, then I'll send you this NFT. Yeah, if you don't have Twitter, then unfortunately you can't take part in this. It's a Twitter only one. So yeah, you've got to go and retweet this. Okay, we're up to 37. There we go. Sorry, a lot of people had retweeted the other one. But that's good. Good to see that a lot of people are watching the stream. Jungle Trades, take a look at sand in the meanwhile. Okay, I will take a look at sand because we are delaying slightly. Toros streams, man, crazy. This that's actually, yeah. As this looks a lot like the XLM stuff that we were talking about with this long accumulation going on, and that's gone pretty crazy. But then everything's doing this today, I guess, so I guess it's not massively surprising. Just typical metaverse hype stuff. Just gonna see if on log. Yeah, basically coming into your daily level. Like literally exactly your daily level, right? I haven't traded this before. I've never traded sand, I don't think. But yeah, coming into your daily level. 786 to 83. Nice. Okay. So we're up to 43 retweets on this now. I think we are ready to go. So, time to see who the winner. 44 retweets. You got your last chance. Last chance. I am about to click copy and paste, and once that has gone in to the into the thing, then a winner will be drawn, and we will see who the winner is for this. So I just got to load up the website to make sure we load this. We're still on 44, so I think we're okay. So here we go. We are picking one winner. You must also be following. I didn't say you must also be following, but if you're not following me, if you win, then you will not win. All right, let me do it once more. That's the last chance. We are now up to 46. So continue. There we go. That is it loaded. 46 entries loaded. We have all of the entries here. I see some familiar faces in this, which is good to see. Thank you everyone for taking part in this. And now we're going to go continue. I don't actually know what happens next on this, so we'll see. Continue. Begin draw. Are you ready? P, do you want to do a countdown? If you're there.
3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Drawing winner. Linkus is the winner. So, there it is. We can see the retweet. So, Linkus, if you are watching, then you have the next few minutes to claim your prize. If not, this will get redrawn, and if it doesn't get claimed on the second draw, by the time we finish the stream, then yeah. Then I guess we just continue this going, and I'll draw someone at Christmas. Okay, so Linkus is the winner of this, and we are waiting to see if he claims his prize. So back onto here we go. So in order to claim your prize, you must message me on Twitter or message me on Discord. Tom, is that you? So yeah, message me on Twitter, actually, because then I know it's you. Just send a DM on Twitter if you can. I guess that works, right? Or prove that you're Linkus. But congratulations, Tom, if that is you. And here, by the way, is proof of ownership. Owned by me. Okay, this is your NFT. I bought it earlier for 0.03 ETH. There you go. It's probably worth a bit of money. You can look at the Doge Pound NFTs. Actually, the floor's dumping, so well, this is actually officially Doge Pound, but it's quite cool with the NFTs and things. They might be worth something at some point. Everyone likes a Doge Pound NFT. That's a good little thing. So yes, that is done. I'm not good with this stuff. Crypto J, I mean, the draw's already happened, so you cannot enter anymore, unfortunately. Ah, cool. Okay. Yes, Linkus, you have sent me your ETH address. So I will send this to you basically after the stream, okay? Tom. Congratulations, Tom. I will send this over to you directly after the stream. P,
Yes,
are you there?
I am.
Cool. We have a website thing. Member, new as well.
I think it's sorted already.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's just happened.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course.
Cool. Nice. Good man.
So I think I'm gonna have the quiz ready in a minute.
All right. So we are going to start quiz part 2 in just a minute. Have you kept all of the other questions in there? Because I don't think anyone actually saw them, and I quite like the questions.
Yeah.
So you've kept all the original ones, just added a few more. Cool.
Yeah, I had a few more. Yeah.
All right. Christopher Hall, new to the channel, enjoying it. Thank you. I mean, we're not really doing much TA stuff. Normally it is a lot more TA based than this. This is, well, basically anyone that knows the normal Friday night streams, this is what a Friday night stream normally is, but we're doing this a day early because tomorrow's Christmas Eve and I'm not going to be streaming on Christmas Eve because that'd be carnage. And this is going to be carnage enough, so yeah. But thank you. Just to go over Bitcoin right now, because obviously we've had a massive move up with a big increase in Delta. Like you would expect that. You're going to have a lot of new longs opening to push price, but we've not really seen that much of a shorts capitulation yet. They're only down like 44 million on Bybit, so this could still squeeze higher. I think there's still a lot of people in short positions trapped and not liquidated at this stage, and we're not really seeing any like massive positive delta at the highs. In fact, recently there's a lot more selling going on here, so people taking profit on their longs, people possibly getting into short positions expecting this to be a very short-lived move up, and yeah, so far
Okay, I think I'm ready, and yeah, people are hitting the.
cool. All right,
emojis,
I will bring back up the
I think
Discord.
it's ready.
All right, we're gonna go for quiz round 2. Sorry, it's kind of my fault. I should have said make sure we have the questions long enough. I know you're not the one that normally does the quizzes. Yeah, I should have.
I'm not the quiz expert.
You're
Yeah,
not the quiz
at all.
master.
No, at all.
Money Badger, where are you? All right. Okay,
I
Discord.
think,
I can't believe we had to make a whole new quiz channel. It's just like delete the whole channel.
boom.
Just killed it. All right.
Okay, let's go, guys.
Hold on. Wait, P. Stop the quiz. I'm not ready.
Oh,
it's not even on the
sorry.
stream. Stop the quiz.
Oh,
Delete the whole
sorry.
fucking channel again.
Oh, there.
No, we can't start the quiz yet. You've done it. It's not on the stream yet. I wasn't ready.
Because I'm not seeing your screen. That's why.
Wait until I say
That's
go.
why. Okay.
Oh
Well,
man.
Let's go back again.
Okay. All right. This is just. All right. I've tagged everyone in the chat, and we can start the quiz
Okay.
as soon as it is ready. All right. Quiz is there. We also need to turn off. No, it doesn't matter. It's all good. We'll roll with this one.
I did.
Okay,
I
cool,
did already.
cool.
But they were faster, you know.
Oh man. Okay, is everybody ready for the quiz? P, do the react if you're ready thing. And we need to get this
Okay.
back up to 50, hopefully. Hopefully we get 50 reactions. I mean, I'm sure we probably had a good amount of people rage quit after the last quiz, but we'll see how it goes.
Okay, yeah, I think now.
Okay,
now
we are
Now
good.
we're good.
We are definitely good. That is 50 immediately. Okay. We've had our trial run. You guys have... There will be a bonus question at the end. And in
Phew.
order to win, just let me actually say, so there will be like one more bonus question from me at the end. I'm going to give double points to the first person that answers my bonus question. No, not double points. 100 points to the first person who answers my bonus question. And also, the winner must be able to answer my bonus question, otherwise they will not win the prize. So I am adding this on. So I'm doing 100 points, which isn't very much, for whoever answers my bonus question based on this stream. So you must have been watching earlier. And if you cannot answer my bonus question, although you will know the bonus question, hey, we'll figure it out. It will just be a little fun extra answer at the end. I'm making things up as we go along. Yes. Answer my question in public chat. Okay, so the first person, or on YouTube. First one I see anywhere, literally anywhere. First one I see wins. Public chat. We'll go public chat. Because otherwise it makes the whole first part of this stream very pointless. There was something very significant in the first part of this stream. Okay. Should we just go for it?
Yeah, have no excuse. Huh?
All right, we're going for it. Cool. Yes, sorry everyone for the YouTube delay. Just make sure you are following on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Basically on the quiz. That's why we've got 30 seconds to answer, right? So people can still hear the...
A little bit less, but I think it's gonna be fine.
But how much between questions?
20
between
15.
questions. Okay, cool.
Yeah. It's fine.
Cool. Okay, good. All right, let's go for it.
Let's go.
We are starting. Sorry for the delay. Mute the YouTube if you are not doing it. So, question number 1. What was the daily open price for Bitcoin last Christmas? Any we got a lot of answers there on number 1. 23737.5, 23696.5, 24118.5, 22999.5. So it was 23737.5. That was on the Bybit exchange, by the way.
Yeah.
So who was the quickest? Are we gonna see? Marcus and Patrick, yes. The answer is 42. Donny and Talby taking the lead. Which song, exact same song and artist, has been Christmas number twice? 16 years apart. P, I know you added this question because that makes no sense, but I guess that means Christmas number 1 twice, 16 years apart.
Yeah, I got it on Google, so I don't know.
It was Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen. Christmas number twice, 16 years apart. Very nice. Next question will be posted in 20
That
seconds.
should be number 1 twice.
Yes. Donny has taken the lead. Talby and Andre in close second place. What percentage of is ETH up from last Christmas? 280, 420, 550 or 690? I think most people remember this from round 1 and have since checked it.
They're cheating. They're cheating.
Yeah.
They probably, screenshot it.
It's all good. It's all good. It's a bit of a failed attempt, but Donny is still in the lead. On Christmas Day 2021, the newly named Crypto.com Arena will host which sporting event? Oh, people are on the ball for this one as well. Mr. Brownbug, it doesn't matter about the YouTube delay. Just go on to Discord. Mute YouTube while we're doing the quiz. It's just a purely Discord quiz. Sorry. YouTube delay is annoying. I would go into voice chat, but I mean, that's just going to bring up a whole new load of issues. Oh, Donny's still in the lead.
I think it does.
What was the company that popularized the modern day Santa Claus in its advertising? It is, of course, Coca-Cola.
Yeah, if you say Pepsi, you shouldn't win anything.
Oh, that went really quickly. I hope.
Yeah.
Which country began the tradition of the Christmas tree?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, Germany. It's nice because I can comment on this, and by the time anyone hears my answer, it's already done. Eric quits. Is Donny still going to be in the lead? Nash is coming up. Wow. Nash is in second place. Donny's still there. Oh, MH and Nash in second place. Which of the following is not one of Santa's reindeers? They've got it. Ollie, probably quite a few people did write the numbers of the answers down. That's why I deleted the quiz to stop people doing that as much as possible. So there may be a bit of cheating going on here, but there's not much we can do about it unless we made a whole new quiz.
Bye.
How many la's follow that fa in the chorus of Deck the Halls? Fa la la, fa la 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 la. 8. I'm guessing Donny was one of the ones who wrote all the answers down, so hopefully someone will catch them up. The thing is, I don't mind too much because anyone who did like put in the effort to literally screenshot or write down all the answers before we finished the last quiz for a crew trial is kind of showing some dedication. So I don't mind that.
Yeah, indeed.
In what country is it tradition to eat KFC for Christmas dinner? Australia, England, Japan, or USA? Of course it is Japan. I just realised my Christmas music's still playing in the background. Which singer released the 2009 album Christmas in the Heart? Oh man, this wasn't even one of the original questions, was it? You added this, didn't you? And people have got that pretty quick. Eric's pissed off. By the time I read the questions, 20 people have already answered it. The mood of the mixture of 4 cups of coffee and something method was very different. That answer was Bob Dylan. Yes. What's my favorite altcoin? Oh man, nice. Oh, that's actually stumped some people. There wasn't as quick of an answer there. This is, by the way, P's favorite altcoin, not mine. Not my favorite altcoin.
So that's why it's mine.
P did these extra questions on the quiz. We all know what his favorite altcoin is, and we all know that it's my least favorite altcoin.
Let's go.
That might have switched things up a little bit there. Look at these, the new questions, and Donnie suddenly is Donnie's in trouble now because he wasn't expecting this. He was expecting a smooth ride after writing all the questions down.
Probably, yeah. Oh, where's Donnie now?
Oh, Donnie down to 3rd place. Little cheater.
Yeah.
Today's best performer is Gala, Sushi, Koti, Luna. Luna, the name of my dog, who I might go and bring later. I was, before everything failed on the audio at the beginning.
Not everybody's taking the right one here, huh?
Yeah, my dog was going to start that. Oh, it's Sushi. I mean, it might not be anymore. Who knows? Things change quickly. Oh, Talby is taking the lead. Question 13. Panettone. Nice. Is Italian sweetbread with dried fruit that is popular around Europe over the Christmas period. Where did it originate from? Oh, I do not know that. I'm going to go for... Oh, most people are going for Napoli. Nice. It's Milan. Milan's... Come on. Really? Would Panettone originate in Napoli? Like, seriously.
It is what it is.
Napoli's like... Oh, man. Napoli's an amazing place, but they're probably not quite sophisticated enough for Panettone.
Oh, look at the leaderboard.
Oh, nuclear. Wow, we've got a new winner. The term Xmas comes from which language? Surely Latin. Surely.
Damn.
Greek, wow.
So, Danny, I'm sorry, guy.
These are some good new questions. He has redeemed himself. He is... Oh, that's the end. So,
that
the winner...
So, nuclear won.
The winner is...
Congratulations, yeah.
Like, Eric just quit very, very quickly. I also quit very quickly. Nuclear is the winner. Nuclear.
And he's in the crew, so...
Okay, so who do we have who is not crew? Is it...
Donnie.
It might be Donnie. It might be Donny. I don't know. Yeah, Donny's not crew. I recognise Nuclear, Talby, Andre, Nash, Callis, MH, Michael, Andy, Soji. Donny's there. He's not crew. Look at that. So Donny, although cheating,
He won anyways.
and having a bunch of new questions, does look like we'll figure this out. So it's basically the top 2 non-crew are gonna get that, and Nuclear. Oh wait, no, we've got 100 extra. Should it just be 100 extra points, or should we should we switch things up a bit? Because I mean, if people are cheating, maybe I can cheat at the end here. What do we reckon?
Well,
There's one more question yet to answer.
exactly. Yeah, you say that.
So I'm going to switch things up. I think Nuclear and Donny. Fair play to Donny. I mean, he may have done it. So we're going to give Donny it anyway. Nuclear, you'll get a prize. The last question, and you've got to answer this in public chat, was, and I'm going to make this really open so it becomes quite difficult to answer. What was the significance of the altcoins that were chosen by myself and Luxury in the beginning of this stream?
Good one.
Yeah. So there was a reason for why we chose those altcoins at the beginning of the stream. And I don't think many people are going to realize. Andy P's got it! Luxury did his best to give it away. Because I don't think he realized it was going to be a question.
Well done.
Because it's like, you've done the X and the M, I'm going to do the A. Oh man, seriously? Yes. Andy P is the winner. So we did choose Xmas. That was the reason. Everyone's thinking they're in accumulation.
Public chat is getting
Seriously?
crazy. Huh?
Some people have a much some people have much less of a lag. Who was it then? So it was, where's it gone? Wait, where is it gone? Oh, there we go. Xmas. So it was Andy P. He is he's the first non-crew. Did anyone non-crew get it? No. Andy P spotted the coin spout Xmas early on. Well done. And I was also giving away the answers on Bitcoin. Like if I zoom out, I'm going to take off Discord here. Zoom out on here. Look, there's the answer. Staring you right in the face. For the Christmas.
Even Oli was cheating.
Yeah. He's like, what's that crazy level? There we go. Okay. Yeah, anyway, I think we've probably done all of the everything we need to. So Donny, you are, yeah, you have won the 1 month of crew membership. I'm not sure who the second one is. I think we'll have to figure this one out and then we'll contact you, because everyone who's non-crew, you are really far down the list. So we're gonna have to figure that one out. There will be a second 1 month crew membership, that gets one. But Donnie deserves it. I mean, even if you were cheating, you kind of deserve it. It's not our fault. Well, it is our fault. And so if you took advantage of our mistake, then that's fair enough. Andy P was the first to guess the Christmas, and the overall winner of the quiz was Nuclear. So we'll write down those names. Andy and Nuclear, you will be contacted for something. There will be some kind of prize. We've given away the NFT. So the NFT has been done. Linkus has won the NFT. We've done the stuff. We've done some technical analysis. We have the flashy jumper and the Christmas hat on. So I think we're about done now on the actual public stream. And
I think so, yeah.
In 30 minutes, so we will be starting for all crew members. If you would like, of course, to continue the party, the party will be continuing for all crew members. This will be your, I guess...
You know what you have to do.
You know what you have to do in order to continue the party. But we are going to wrap up the public section of this video right now. Thank you very much for watching.
You can actually show how to join to the party.
Oh, right, yeah. To join to the party, go to toroscrypto.com. It is up the top of the screen, like there. My hand won't actually reach that high because it cuts it off, but you can see it up at the top there. You click on the crew. We do have our membership options available here, and yeah, you can click on any of these memberships. You can pay with crypto, you can pay with normal stuff, and of course, if you just go and click Let's Chat, you can just chat to us. I don't. What the significance of that is, I do not know. But you can chat to us, and that will tell you all the information you need if you are confused about anything, because I'm not making very much sense here. Yes, so that is the end of the YouTube Christmas party. We will be commencing Crew Christmas Party, where we will be doing the Toros Crypto Awards. So we do have a bunch of categories, and we have some very special, they will be custom designed NFTs that get given away to certain members of the crew, which will be voted for by the crew. So we have some categories, we have some prizes to give away. Basically, you're going to get your own. So if anyone knows all the display pictures and things that we've got, MQS has very kindly offered to make 5 members a custom, basically profile picture that will be given to you in NFT form. Those NFTs will have some utility when we go into next year as well. So they're not just a profile picture, they will have some utility as well. And we are working on that, and that's something that's going to be really fun coming in the new year. But yeah, you basically get those. So we do have the Crew Awards Christmas special thing. I'm probably overhyping this massively because it's really not that exciting. But we'll be hanging out in voice chat in about half an hour. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching, and I will catch all crew members in 30 minutes. Cheers, guys.
Good day, guys.
Bye.